there. Now, where is that one? This one, no? Now. So now I am posting this, okay? Put star here. Put star here. Save. Okay. So if I go to this document, if I go to this FB03, if I go to this document, open this document, what is the document date here?
110.
What is the date here?
18.
Now I will go to header here. See header. Okay, header. You see here, any. So what did you understand seeing this?
In entry date is when we enter the data.
Correct. So here, this is not under our control. This is system generated date. So whenever anybody is touching the system and doing anything, it is automatically recording here. You see, correct? Background noise, please. Now here, you see who posted this. This guy posted. When did he post this date? What time he posted this time? And which T code he used? This T code. All this is automatically getting recorded. See, anything that is happening on the system getting recorded here. Correct? You see? So which system, this system, which user, this user, what date, this date, what time, this time, what T code, this, everything is recorded here. You understand? Right. So who is giving the entry date? Nobody. System generated date. So on what I posted, that is all. That is what is the entry. Okay. So what do I mean by entry date now? What did you understand? Entry date is the system generated date. Got it?
Document date and posting date we can control.
Yeah, so document date is not under our control because whatever date is there on the document, same thing you have to do. Date also is not under our control because system will take it from whenever you are touching the system will automatically take it. Whatever time, whatever date you touch, it is recorded automatically. That is the entry date. Okay. Then what is the posting date? It is under our control. Whatever you can. So only one date is we have the leniency, right? System is allowing you to play with. What is the date? Posting date. The document date is not under our control. Entry date is also not under our control. What is the date in our control? Posting date. That is used for accounting purpose. Right? This is accounting. And if we want to do, which date we use? Is it clear? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is not possible to change the entry date.
It is not possible to change the entry date. Correct. Yes. You cannot change the entry date. Because you are not giving it, nobody is giving it, system is taking automatically from your system date.
Okay.
Correct? Yeah, now also did I give or not give? I did not give, right? Correct? It is taking automatically. Good.
So what is the...
Now I am coming there. If you understand this, then I can discuss later. If you are clear about the document date, posting date and entry date, then I can discuss about it. Is that clear?
Yes, okay. Yes.
Yeah. Now, suppose this is my payment term, no? Okay, let us discuss now. So my payment term is 0050. Here I am saying that total 30 days time is there, right? But up to 10 days, if I pay, I will get 3% discount. Correct? Now up to 20 days, I will get 2%. Correct? Then up to after 20 days, no discount, na? After that, no discount. 0%. Yeah. 0%. then due 30 days. Is that clear?
Yes.
So now I have an invoice. Now you tell me. I have an invoice. Say I have an invoice of 40,000 that is posted on 0050. Now for that my document date was what is the date today? 22nd. Na?
22nd.
So maybe I will take it as say 25th of September. Okay, 2021. This is my document date. Then my posting date, because it got too delayed, what I did, I posted it on 3rd, so maybe on 8th of October. Okay, 20. Now my actual entry date was 21.10.2021. Okay. Yeah. So now I have like this. So now these 3 days are possible or no?
Yes.
Can I have different dates like this? Now here I am saying 10 days. Huh? So this 10 days, from which date I will start counting? Okay. So shall I count from 25th? Shall I count from 8th? Shall I count from 21st? So here system will ask me what is the baseline date? What is the baseline date? So if I say my baseline date is document date. Okay, here you see now I am showing you now here. Here you see. Here. My baseline date is document date. If I select like this, and I can select like this also, right? If my baseline date is I'm saying like this. My baseline date would be document date.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt. Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, I am able to hear you.
So the baseline date is only the document date. Selected as per our choice, the baseline date, or by default is it automatically?
You can select as per the client requirement. You ask him, right? Do you want me to select this or this? Which one? Your discount terms are based on which date? Document date, posting date, or entry date. Accordingly, we will. Okay? Yeah. Yes.
Okay, sir, got it.
Then what about that?
Sorry?
That calculation of what is there in that box?
This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
This one you are talking?
Yes, sir.
I will discuss next. So let us understand this, then I will discuss it. Okay? Now what is the payment date? Suppose if I am paying today, okay? My payment date is 22nd.10.2021. Okay? So I have posted 40,000 on 0050, correct? And my baseline date is document date, which means this will become the baseline date, correct? This will become the baseline date. Now you tell me, if my payment date is 22nd, how much discount I will pay?
2%.
2%.
What is?
See, if this is the baseline date from 25th till 5th.
past 20 days or not.
Correct, na? Already 20 days are passed, right? 25th till 5th, 10 days are over. From 5th till 15th, another 10 days are over, right? Now we are on the 22nd. Nearly 27 days gone. How can you get 2%? You understand? So if your baseline date is document date, then this date will become the base date. From this date you start counting. From 25th of September to 5th of October. How many days? 10 days over. 5th of October to 15th October. Another 10 days over. From 15th October, we are not getting any discount, zero. And we are paying today 22nd. So how much discount I will get? 0%. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
It's my baseline date, right? So let me take it like this. If my baseline date is document date, I am getting 0% discount. Correct or not? Now small change I am doing, okay? Small change I am doing, right? So now instead of selecting like this.
Sir, could you explain again, sir?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
The payment date will be decided by the client or
Payment date is whenever you are paying, right? Whenever you are paying, right? Whenever they are. This is the logic, right? When you pay, it will apply. Correct. So this is the entire logic is applying on when you are paying, right? If you pay today, what will happen? If you pay tomorrow, what will happen? If you pay after 5 days, what will happen? Right? What should happen
payment date depends upon
based on this logic? Right? It is not as per you, no? Whenever you, whatever you want, you will not get it. As per your date of payment, it will apply. Correct? Got it or not? Invoice is posted on, what date it is posted? Invoice is posted on, yeah, 25th, correct. That is the document date, right? So for this invoice, document date is 25th, posting date is this, entry date is this. So if for an invoice like this, if I pay today, what will happen? How much discount I will get? 0 you will get. Got it? Because your baseline date is document date. So in 0050, when you are creating 0050, you selected document date as baseline date. Then it will work like this. You will get how much? 0 discount. Is it clear? Yeah. If in your 0050, when you are creating the payment term, if you selected the baseline date as document date like this, right? Instead of selecting posting date, you selected document date. If you selected the document date, then it will work like this. Is it clear? Yes. Now suppose if I make a change, right? Suppose if I make, I am not taking this, I am taking this.
6%.
Okay, now let us go back. Now here the baseline date is what? I am making a change now. Baseline date is posting date. Baseline date is posting date. So now this is not the baseline date now. Right, let me remove this. Correct. So this will become the baseline date. Correct? Agreed everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now tell me if I pay today, same date. If I pay today, how much discount I have? 2%. 2%. Yeah. Yeah. From 8 till 18, I will get 10 days 3%. From 18 till 28, I will get 2%. So I am in 22nd means what? I am in that slab. Till 28, I will get 2%. Correct. So depending upon your selection here, it is differing or not. If I select document date, I am getting 0%. If I am selecting posting date, I am getting 2%. Correct? Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Correct. That is the importance of this selection. Okay? Suppose if I select entry date.
6%.
Entry date. Now you go back, right? Now this is not, my baseline date is not posting date. My baseline date is entry date. Okay, entry date then means this will become, this is not the baseline date now, correct? This will become the baseline date. Correct? So from 21st till what?
22nd.
21st till another 10 days. What is November?
November, yeah.
I will get how much percentage?
3%.
3%. I'm paying 22nd, so I should definitely get how much?
3%.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is how your percentage of discount will differ based on what you are selecting.
What is the no default?
Next. Let me complete this, then I will discuss. So everybody understood what is a baseline date?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. But can you repeat again posting date, sir? What do you
Meaning of posting.
Posting date. See, I got the invoice last week. But there is a date on it. But because of some reason I could not post. So I cannot post after 10 days now. So I am thinking, right, better give last week date only at the time of posting, right? Invoice date is last, so posting date also I am giving nearby. So I have this adjustment. The user can post according to his accounting requirement. Posting date. Got it? Yeah? That date you can use it for different things, right? Yeah? Whatever date you want to give, you can give. Is it clear?
Clear, sir. He is going to enter in GL. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, in GL, whatever date he is giving, it will apply.
Yeah, suppose if you get like invoice today, you will be entering after 2 days or 3 days. It will be treating like a posting date. When we are going to do entry, like a entry, it's called like an entry date, sir.
See, I got the invoice last week. I should have posted last week, but with some reason it got. But now I don't want to post this week, na. After 1 week delayed posting, I don't want to. I want to do last week date only. I will give.
It's like some adjustment. Okay.
Adjustment, yes.
Thank you, sir.
That's posting and entry date is same.
Yes,
Posting and entry date can be same.
We have
posting